Hey everyone, Mark here, and you better believe we're doing another pasta recipe today. We won't be short on pasta recipes here, so if you love pasta, hit that subscribe button. Today's pasta is broccoli with sun-dried tomatoes, and the shape, casarecce, which is taken from the term casareccio, which means homemade. These short little twists of pasta are gonna capture the sauce that we're going to make today. So let's do the twist and start cooking. Like always, grate some Reggie and set it aside. Slice up a couple cloves of garlic, nice and thin. I love sun-dried tomatoes, so you're gonna finely chop, or you can slice them up into thin strips. Grab your broccoli. We're only gonna use the florets for this recipe. With the rest of it, you can eat it, you can chop it up, put it in a salad, stock, whatever you want. Before we chop the florets, place a few full ones in a bowl and set aside. Then we're gonna finely chop the broccoli florets as fine as you can get it. Chopping up that broccoli nice and fine is gonna get all those little pieces right into the pasta. Grab a calabrian chili, chop off the stem, slice it open, and remove the seeds with the tip of the knife. Removing the seeds is optional. If you leave it in, it's just gonna make it more hot. Do I dare? Ooh, I love the flavor. Calabrian, Calabrian chilies are so flavorful. Oh, so good. So hot. Generously salt a big pot of boiling water and add your pasta. On medium to high heat, we're gonna add a generous amount of extra virgin olive oil to a pan. Toss in that garlic and the sun-dried tomatoes, the broccoli, the Calabrian chili, and season with salt and freshly cracked pepper. Saute until broccoli is tender, mixing and tossing along the way. Now we're gonna add a little bit of pasta water to help emulsify the sauce. Add the cooked pasta with a fresh squeeze of lemon juice and finish cooking the pasta. Mixing and tossing along the way. Turn off the heat, add the Reggie, mix and toss. Add some more Reggie, mix and toss. Now it's time to eat. I feel like my heart is made out of pasta. That's how much I love it. So good. What a great fast and easy dish. Now this is vegetarian, but add a sausage all crumbled up in here, you have another great option. I hope you guys try this, and if you do, let me know in the comments. And as always, full recipe in the description below. Please like and comment, hit that subscribe button. Until next time, ciao.